Buyer home search activity has been higher this month than last December in most Maryland markets, and home prices are up 7.3% to $429,195 this December compared to last December 2023. Happy holidays! It's Friday, December 27th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. More homes have sold this December than last, 4,104 compared to 3,888, a 5.6% increase in homes sold last December. New listings to go live over the past week fell 56% to 877, likely due to the holidays this week. However, coming soon inventory rose 7.4% to 682. Despite the holidays, 974 went under contract this past week as a testimony that homes do sell during the holidays. 1,197 homes sold this past week in 19 days at 99.4% list to sold ratio. Rentals are down 2,807 for lease at $2,500 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, December 27, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.